to Nagano Island.
Our 5 days. It's for our 5 days today, and we're going to where are we going today, my love? What's our activities today?
Parasailing.
Parasailing. It's my first time again. Yay! Are you excited?
Huh?
Excited? Okay.
Flying.
Yeah. It's my excited.
まもなく左方向です。ローソンが目印です。この信号を左です。
Ayun, pupunta kami ng Sir. And then after that, no bagging?
No contact.
No contact? Okay. So, ato de parasailing dake.
いや、多分大丈夫だと思うよ。
Oh, yeah. Kasi gusto niya ulitin yung yung bag. Kasi nga ba yan? Nag-enjoy kami. Di ba, honey? Bagging. Really enjoy. Yeah. Hello, honey, come on, love. Bagong place to. So, yeah. Mukhang mas mahaba-haba dito. So, yes. Ang binayaran namin dito is 9,000 per person. Yeah. Ako nagbayad nun. Regalo ko sa kanya. Kasi wala akong regalo sa kanya. Sabi ko, ikaw mamili ka kaya tanong gusto mo ka. So, magbaging ulit. Okay. Sige, ako nagagastos ako. Going na. Baba, where were you? Oh my god. Happy?
Yeah.
Happy for my gift?
Yeah.
Happy for my gift?
Yeah.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
そしたらじゃあこちらからお一人ずつまた。
Okay?
でその下これ緑のボタンがエンジンスタートボタンになってます。
全部。
全部。で次真ん中鍵が刺さってるとこ。
Hi guys! So enjoy, tingnan nyo naman. Ito yung the best bagging that we've been here in Okinawa. Desyo, my love. Ang dami, 1 hour and 30 minutes desyo. Tapos ang dami mga pasikot-sikot. Tapos may mga putik. Tapos mga maririkit na lugar. Tapos as in, ano talaga siya, parang mountain na baggy talaga. Hindi kami masyado, hindi ako nakapag-video kasi bawal. So meron siyang sinend sa akin mga video na yun, nagpa-shot din kami ng video kanina. So yeah. Yan. Did you enjoy, my love? My gift for you. Did you enjoy my Christmas gift for you? I love you. I love you, my love. Kiss me. Hi guys. So ayan nga, sobrang laki ng at ang lawak ng lugar na to. So ang ano namin is 9,000 per head. Ano na siya, 1 hour and 30 minutes. Sobrang masusulit mo siya. Sobrang masusulit nyo yung 9,000. Kasi sobrang lawak ng lugar na to. At as in, mararanasan nyo yung takot. As in, natakot ako doon. May takot ka. Tapos, sobrang nakaka-adventure talaga. And madadaanan nyo din yung sa looban niya. May pupunta rin kayo sa looban doon. Maririkit na lugar. May mga putik-putik din. Kaya, magbaon kayo ng shoes. Tingnan niyo naman shoes ko. Where's my shoes? Pero meron silang shoes doon. Hindi naman ako na-inform na may putik-putik pala. So, ito nangyari sa akin, di ba? And my honey is naka-chinelas. So, nakapaghugas siya. Ako hindi. And we're the next, and ang next namin is parasailing, my love. Yeah, what time is it? What time in parasailing?
150.
150?
Yeah.
What time is it right now?
11:40.
So, dono guray kakarimasu?
20 minutes.
20 minutes dake. So, nani o shimasu, my love? Hiru gohan?
Break time.
Okay. So, for today, magbe-break muna kami. Maglo-lunch kami. We're not going to be break the show, my love.
Yeah.
Forever, di ba?
Yeah.
Wait, Kai, forever. Say it, forever.
Forever.
So, sobrang na-enjoy namin ang hobby ko. Did you enjoy my gift for you? Did you enjoy my gift for you, taba?
Yeah. Enjoy.
You enjoy.
Yeah.
Enjoy, my love?
Yeah.
Hey, happy?
Yeah.
We're going to parasailing, but lunch first. Di mo, honey, ko na mo. Umoy. Unto.
そうですね、しょうがないね。そう持ち方。
Hello, honey.
はい。
Honey. Hi, then. Are you dizzy?
No.
Shinpai?
No. Not yet.
Not yet. Oh my god. Why? Ato de Shinpai?
Yeah.
Don't worry. You're with me. True color? I wanna touch, honey. Can I touch? I wanna touch. Hello. I'm scared. Think Papo, honey. Ba't ganon, honey? I'm scared. What the? Grabe, ang sarap ng oyster nila dito, guys. I like it, honey. I like it. Oyster. Pero bagong dumating, clam chowder. Time to check out. Thank you, guys. Hi, my love. Thank you, my love, for the Christmas vacation and Christmas gift. I love you. Did you enjoy our experience? I love you so much. Thank you, my love. I love you. Look at us. Oh man, what is this? Well, we're going to having a breakfast, our last breakfast here. And this was already, oh my god. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Ay, ako pala mag-ano. Okay, see you later. Okay. Hello, my love. Turno kami ng hubby ko. Diba? Turno. Turno. There, oh, my love. Turno. I love. Hello. Turno. We're out now. Out. Kanina bigla sumama pakaramdam ko. Bigla ako feeling, sumama pakaramdam ko. Tapos, nagpabamit ako. Tapos, nagtatay ako. Tapos, sabi ng asawa ko, sabi niya, baka daw dahil daw sa oyster na kinain ko. I don't know. I don't want to go home. I don't want to go back in Yokohama because gusto ko dito. Dahil hindi siya sobrang lamig. Hindi ka guys sa Yokohama. As in, balot na balot ka. Tignan mo naman yung suot ko, diba? Hindi. Nakaporma ako dahil. Nakaporma ako dito dahil. Sabi ko nga sa asawa ko, gusto ko dito. Tapos nakakaporma ako di ba? Diba nga Watashi wa, I can wear fashion clothes here. I don't need jacket to. Zenbu jacket to. I don't need that. Demo, Yokohama. Fashion じゃない。ジャケット全部でしょ Hello! Okay. We're here. Mamaya maligaw na naman kami. Hanapin na naman namin yung car kasi kahapon. Oh my God, kahapon, nanood kami ng Spy Family sa sinihan. Maya nakatulog ako. Siyempre, pagod kasi kami. Nakatulog ako. Oh my God. Tapos, ayun, nung nagising ako, tapos na. Tapos na. Lagi ako nakatulog sa sinihan. Tapos, sinanap pa namin yung car. I just tell them what happened yesterday, that I already slept on the cinema. Tama ka dyan, di mo ako ginising. Gamit ko ngayon yung bago kong camera, ay yung bago stabilizer na binigay sa kanyang honey ko. Thank you, honey. Hello. I like this. Love you. Talaga, no? Excited? We're going to the boat now. Honey, where are you? We're going to the boat now. Yay! Aba. Ay. Ha! Why you leave me? Come on. Look at the umi. Look at the beach. The beach is so good. have a barbecue today. This is our lunch for our last day in Okinawa. Barbecue. Bye-bye. Till next time. We're going back. to Yokohama now. Say bye-bye Okinawa. Say bye-bye Okinawa.
Bye.
Bye Okinawa.
Yeah.
See you again.
Yeah.
See you again でしょ?
Yeah.
Honey, I don't wanna go home. Honey, I don't wanna go home. I don't want to go back Yokohama. とても寒いでしょ?
寒い。
寒い. This one is good でしょ? Not とても寒い di ba?
いいじ
It looks like tama. Diba? This weather is good here in Okinawa, diba? Not とても寒い. これは寒いだけ. It looks like Philippines でしょ?